Joyful Sunday everyone, March 9, 2025, and it is indeed a wonderful Sunday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay na natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga marites sa paligid natin na nag-i-inspire sa atin to do more with our life. So, shout out nun kina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Puchi, Margie Crane, Cecil Borges, Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Panaag, and Aldi Galvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, kina Badit Dahan, Lim Papagsibigan, Jima David, Imay Gumayan, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Guevara, Lima Agla, Eds Macalina, Winnie Claire B. Santiago, and Clyde Dion. And siyempre sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is, remember that it is the words uttered or unspoken by your children that matters most, not what the world says out loud to gauge your happiness and success. Ayun. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, joyful Sunday, everyone.